Hi there, Joe here. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing video of the new Supreme Plus vacuum sealer. So let's take a look at what's in the box. We're going to open the box, lift up the lid. First up, we include a bonus set of foam gaskets. Next up, we have our 22 centimeter bag rolls. We provide two 5 meter rolls. We also include two 5 meter rolls of our 28 centimeter wide bag rolls. On the side, we have our hose connector. This is used to connect your Luvele Fresh vacuum container set. We include our colour instruction booklet along with our warranty card so you can register your warranty through our website. So let's take out the vacuum sealer and have a look. Lift up the lid and remove all the internal packaging. Then remove the power cord from the internal storage compartment, remove the plastic cover, and you're ready to begin enjoying your new Luvele Supreme Plus vacuum sealer. Thanks for watching, and I hope that was helpful. If you've got any questions, please shoot us an email, we'll be happy to help. Thanks again, and bye for now.